This is Carrie from Woodinville Wine Blog, and today, Leap Day 2020, I'm at Pomum Cellars, and here's the tasting room manager, Allison, to tell me what special event they're doing today.
Hey guys, so like she said, it's Leap Day, special weekend. We are only pouring wines that were harvested during the previous leap year, which was 2016.
That's great.
So come by if you have a chance. I've got Riesling, Syrah, Tempranillo, Monastrell, and Garnacha all open and tasting this weekend. So a nice blend again of both the Pomum and the Angelico, and we'd love to see you.
And it looks like there's 20% off when you buy 6 or more bottles this weekend. Very tempting.
Exactly. We're trying to be as kitschy as possible. We're gonna make it 2020, so 20% discount.
Love it.
With 6 bottles or more.
And you're in Artisan Hill at the bottom of the hill.
Exactly, at the very bottom of the hill in between Stevens Winery and Lobo Hills.
Great. Well, thanks for watching, and please follow Woodinville Wine Blog on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, and we're actually on Pinterest too. And I have to keep talking because if we don't have a minute, I can't post this video. Thanks, bye.